So our subject will be home economics and our topic will be kitchen equipments for grade 6. Okay, so we're going to start our lesson. Let's go. So let's start with our topic for today about kitchen equipments part 1. Okay, so there will be 5 parts for this topic because it is very long, so we will discuss them little by little. Okay, so let's start by reading our vocabulary. Vocabulary number 1, appliances. Number 2, tools. Number 3, utensils. Number 4, level. Number 5, measure. Okay, so next, kitchen equipments. Okay, let's start. So liquid measuring cup. So what is a liquid measuring cup? Okay, liquid measuring cup used for measuring liquid ingredients like oil, milk, and water. Again, oil, milk, or water. Okay, those are your example of liquid. Okay, so next, how to measure liquid measuring cup. So first, place on a level surface, flat surface, and check at the eye level for accurate measuring. So if you can see the level on top, you can level your eyes. Okay, like this one. Okay, like this. You can put it in a flat surface, level surface, and then you can measure your liquid ingredients. Okay, so next, liquid measuring cup. So what is a liquid measuring cup? This is a liquid measuring cup. Another example, this one. Okay, so they come from a glass, made of plastics. Okay, so next, so how to measure liquid ingredients? Okay, so first, you're going to put them in a flat surface or leveled surface, right? Okay, as you saw a while ago, this one. Okay, so you're going to measure it in this part, this one. So we call this one meniscus water. Okay, so meniscus water is where you can stop measuring the liquid ingredients. Okay, next, spatula. Okay, so spatula, a straight spatula is useful for spreading ice on cakes and leveling dry ingredients. Okay, so I'm going to show you an example of spatula. The long one. Okay, this one is an example of spatula. You use this one in leveling your dry ingredients and fixing your cake, icing. Okay, spread your icings. Okay, so this is an example of long spatula or spatula. Next will be the dry measuring cups. Okay, what's the use of dry measuring cup? Okay, so in dry measuring cup, we have the measurement of 1C or 1 cup, 1/2 cup, 1/3 cup, 1/4 cup. Okay, so what's the abbreviation for cup? It's either small letter C with a period or big letter C with a period too. Okay, the same na ka. Okay, so used for measuring dry ingredients. What are your dry ingredients? Dry ingredients are flour, sugar, and etc. Okay, etc. Okay, let's take a look at some example. Okay, dry measuring cup. So this is an example of a dry measuring cup. We have metal and plastics. Okay. So next one, measuring spoon. Okay, measuring spoon. We have a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon. So what are the abbreviation for teaspoon abbreviation or the shortcut, okay? Shortcut for teaspoon. It's either small letter T with a period, TS with a period, TSPN with a period, also this one, period, or TSP. Okay, so those are the abbreviations for teaspoon. How about tablespoon? Okay, so tablespoon, this one. Okay, there's only one measurement for tablespoon. It's 1 tablespoon. Okay, so what are the abbreviation for tablespoon? There is big letter T with a period, this one. TBLS with a period, this one. Or TBSP with a period. And for the last one, TB. Okay, with a period also. Do not forget to put the period, okay? Used to measure small amount of liquid or dry ingredients. So if you want to measure a small amount of ingredients like baking powder, you can use your measuring spoon. Okay, so what is a measuring spoon? This one are your example made of plastic and made of metal. Okay, so this is an example of measuring spoon. Okay, next, how to measure dry ingredients, flour, baking powder, and yeast, and other like dry ingredients. Okay, so first step, just scoop, do not count it like this, okay? Scoop and then use the spatula and then you're going to level naka, okay? Let's try. Let's see some example. Okay, so in flour, you measure flour, just scoop a flour and then you're going to level using a spatula, okay? Next one, baking powder. Okay, so just scoop again and then level it with a knife, the flat part of a knife. Okay, so and then you're going to level it that way. So next, yeast, the same, scoop and level. Okay, so next, how to measure dry ingredients, brown sugar and white sugar. Okay, so there's a different type of measuring in brown sugar and white sugar. So let's take a look at with brown sugar. Okay, so first you need to scoop and press until it forms the shape of a measuring cup. So it says here in the picture. So you're going to scoop and then you're going to press it down until you form a shape of the cup. Okay, this one. That's how you measure brown sugar, okay? How about white sugar? Okay, so just scoop and level, same as your flour. Okay, so scoop and level. Okay? Okay, so let's move on with your worksheet for today. So are you ready? Okay, let's go. So let's start with your worksheet. First, you need to write your nickname in pasangkit. Write the date when you're going to answer your worksheet, and our topic will be kitchen equipments. Okay, so let's start with test 1. Let's read, name each kitchen equipments. Choose answer in the box. Okay, so you're going to choose your answer here. Okay, so first you need to identify what the kitchen equipment is that, and then you're going to choose your answer here. Okay, here. Okay, so choose your answer and write your answer in the blank here. Okay, so let's try to answer number 1. So what kind of kitchen equipment is this? So this is spatula, measuring cup, measuring spoon, or liquid measuring. Okay, so the answer is okay, the answer is spatula. Okay, so let's try writing spatula. Write in the space here. SPA TULA. Okay, so that's the answer. So you're going to answer, continue answering this part 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so next, test 2. Write the correct abbreviation of each measuring tools. Okay, write the correct abbreviation of each measuring tools. So you're going to write your answer in this blank. Okay, so what's the abbreviation of dry and liquid measuring cup? I discussed that one a while ago. Let's try to answer. Okay, it's either small letter C and a period, or big letter C in a period. Okay, so we've answered number 1. Okay, so next test will be this one. Draw what is asked. Draw what is asked. Okay, so in this part, I want you to draw measuring cup. Okay, you're going to draw it in this part. Okay, so if you don't know the image of a dry measuring cup, you go back with the video and we have some examples there. Or you can browse your Google, try to research for dry measuring cup. Okay, so what are the equipments you need to draw? You need to draw dry measuring cup, liquid measuring cup, and measuring spoon. Okay, so those are your worksheet for this week. So I hope you can answer them correctly. So see you again next time. Please stay safe, answer your worksheet, and stay healthy. Okay, so goodbye. See you again next time.